Hello guys, my name is Pratap Singh and I am from High Tech ECM Repair Training Center and High Tech Automotive Skill Development Academy, Khanna, Punjab. So here I would like to talk about the remote diagnosis option in launch scanner and how it's works. So firstly, open X431 Pro app. Then you see many kinds of options. Click on the remote diagnosis option. Fill your password. Click on remote diagnosis option. Go to remote. In the right side, there is a remote button. Click on it. Please choose the vehicle for remote diagnose. Okay, I choose BMW. Then automatically countdown starts. On the other hand, the second person visit the official site of launch. This is the official site. In step 1, they provide a link remote-dag.x431.com. Then simply click it. New page will be open. The technician account and password. You can fill your official account. I fill high tech 2. Click on login. Serial number. Input serial number. Serial number is situated on the back side of launch scanner. On the back side of launch scanner. This is a serial number. And also printed on the dongle. So input serial number. I already filled it. Click on remote diagnosis. Connection succeed. Then they automatically connected with each other. So the process is done. You can work from any devices such as laptops and scanners also. Thank you.